Converting decimals into fractions, a simple guide. Hello, learners. Today we're diving deep into the world of numbers. Have you ever wondered how to convert a decimal into a fraction? Well, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll be able to convert any decimal into its fractional form with confidence. Decimals are simply a representation of a whole and a part of it. When we talk about numbers like 0.5 or 0.75, we're referencing a portion of a whole number. For instance, 0.5 is half of 1, and 0.75 is 3/4 of 1. The process of converting decimals into fractions can be broken down into a few easy steps. 1. Write down the decimal without the decimal point. For example, 0.75 becomes 75. 2. Determine the place value of the last digit in your decimal. For 0.75, the last digit is in the hundredths place. 3. Put your number over the place value. Using our example, 75 becomes the numerator and the denominator would be 100, since the last digit is in the hundredths place. 4. Simplify if necessary. 75 100ths can be simplified to 3/4. Let's try another example together. Think of 0.3. 1. The number without the decimal point is 3. 2. The last digit, 3, is in the tenths place. 3. So, our fraction starts as 3/10. 4. No simplification is needed here. Hence, 0.3 as a fraction is 3/10. What if you have a decimal like 0.547? The process remains the same. 1. Write down the number 547. 2. The last digit is in the thousandths place. 3. Your fraction starts as 547 1,000ths. 4. Now, simplify. The simplified fraction is 547 1,000ths as no common factors other than 1 exist between 547 and 1,000. Great job, learners! Converting decimals to fractions can be simple and fun when you understand the process. Remember to practice with different decimals to hone your skills. Hope this video has been enlightening. Happy learning!